audio.
Welcome to our channel. So it's my husband's birthday next week and he's going to be on a trip. So today being Sunday, I decided to put up a scavenger hunt. Yes, a scavenger hunt to surprise him. So I have different clues, about 7 of them. All of them is going to lead me to different locations, both in the house and in town. Yes, we'll be driving around Enugu trying to get what these clues mean, and everything is going to end up in a special place. I just pray he's able to decode these clues and know what it means, because each clue is going to lead into the next point. So guys, this promises to be fun and very adventurous. So if you want to know how this goes, make sure you stick around to the end. And mind you, at every point he's going to be getting gifts too. There'll be a special present at each of the points. I really hope this is going to be so much fun. I can't wait for you guys to see how it goes. So I just drove into the house now. He's inside the house, and when I go in, we'll start with clue 1. Mind you, he doesn't know what we are doing. He doesn't have an idea. So if it's your first time on our channel, please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so when we drop videos you get to see it. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, and don't forget to drop your special wishes for him in the comment section. So guys, let's go. Happy birthday, baby.
In audio.
What's on it? Show me the paper. Show me.
Scavenger hunt. Clue 1. Nice one. Hey.
Read the big paper first.
Okay.
Read it out, let me hear.
My significance. I have created a special scavenger hunt for you. I would like you to get ready, pack your bag for a night, and follow the clue. Have fun on this adventure to come, but don't lose sight of the prize at the end. Wifey. Yes, at the back of each clue, you will find one word. Puzzle it together at the end. Happy birthday. Okay, clue 1. We love to wear our favorite clothes and go on a date, but firstly, these clothes must be clean.
Check inside, there's something inside.
Scavenger
There's something inside. There's something
inside here. Oh. Oh. The white ticket. Oh, okay. Let me read our clue. Clue 2. What is it? Clue 2. Buying food in bulk is sure cheaper, but some of this food needs to be stored properly. Yeah, they need to be stored properly. Okay. Does it signify notice?
South.
This is stored. Why are you using the empty fridge? Oh, my black shirt of life. Oh, thank you. Thank you, baby. My trip is set now. I have a trip to pack for. Okay, clue 3. Scavenger hunt. Why? Okay. In this life, you won't get far without some food. Luckily, some food can be ready in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. Something can be ready in 5 minutes.
In audio.
Oh. We are in the obviously.
You feel like you're smart, just watch.
Oh, my blue shirt. I'm a craving a blue shirt for a while. This is great. The blue shirt of light. Thank you. I have a blue shirt now. Clue 4. I think I'm having a clue to what you're writing.
Okay. It will shock you.
Okay. Clue 4. We entertain visitors and they have to feel comfortable. Everyone needs their space. Entertain visitors, everyone needs to feel comfortable. Everyone needs their space.
Tell me what's on your mind. Tell me your train of thoughts. Let's go with your train of thoughts. Okay. Why do you feel so?
Yeah, I feel so because they have to feel comfortable when they receive guests. Yeah. This room is rough anyway. So I wonder why it should be this room.
You're from smart though.
What color is this? White again. Oh, that's that really.
So what did you find here? Let me see.
Yeah. Found my cream shirts. So I have all the colors combined together now. So me and Steve Hubby are going to be rocking it together. Clue 5. There are a million places to visit. Thank God we are mobile. We can always get there. It's not leading me anywhere. We are mobile, so we can always get there. Okay. Should I go to the car?
I don't know.
Clue number 6. To become truthfully wealthy, you need various sources of income. Let us do the one you own, at least they are sure of daily income. This is not leading me anywhere.
I don't know.
So, daily income. Okay. So, give me more. You're about to go and check the place.
I don't know. That's why it's a queue.
Yes, but you need to
You have to say it's leading into his pampers.
to become truthfully wealthy, you need various sources of income. Whether that's you behind your phone.
Am I a source of income? God, I beg.
Let's go and go to the pharmacy.
Fair decision.
That's what my brain can use for. Yeah, let's go and go to the pharmacy. Alright. Okay, they asked me to pack my bag. Bag is packed. As usual, my laptop is my best friend. Always go with me. So I'm all set. Let's go on.
So where did you say the next clue is taking us to?
To the pharmacy.
Okay. Anywhere you direct us, we'll follow you.
So
Alright.
our next clue is leading us to where I don't know.
They carry me go where you
They
don't
carry
know.
me go where I don't know. Or we'll look for it.
I will find it.
We'll find it. Let's go.
You've never seen it before.
I have seen it. Okay. Which color is this? What's in this color? Is it my eye or is it wet milk at your back? Okay, this is brown now. Sorry, boy. Can't lay it here. Let's not lay somewhere else.
Yeah, just leave it.
Okay, guys, I found a what's this color?
Brown.
A brown suit. So don't mind me. I found a brown suit and I got clue number 7. So I was right after all the truth. So let me see what clue number 7 is. I already told her, please guys let me tell her. I said hope I will find 1 billion naira check inside one. I told her already, hope I will find 1 billion naira check inside one. So let me see what is in clue number 7. It might be the check, clue number 7. So it might be the check inside. Let's see. Okay, still a clue. It's alright. Clue number 7. N. I'm your girl from start to finish. And I promise to love you till the end. Yo, baby. You are my girl from start to finish. You promise to love me from finish, from start to finish, and promise to love you until the end. Okay. Okay. You are the one now. So I have you already, so let's go.
So put your clues together.
Okay, I said it before that I was going to put the clue together. She refused me doing that, so let me arrange. I have N behind clue 7. So honeymoon.
Yes.
Okay.
Honeymoon.
Oh, I see. Okay, let's go, guys. He said it's honeymoon. We did our honeymoon somewhere in Enugu after our wedding in Delta State. I brought her all the way down to Enugu. As what the closing one?
Yeah, it doesn't matter anymore.
Okay. I took her somewhere in Enugu. Should I disclose the environment to them? Let's go, I know the place. Honeymoon. Okay. Let's go. Honeymoon. Oh, great.
Let me see what's on it.
Happy birthday, my significant. And what I found inside, I'm blushing. Yeah, you just want yourself all expense paid exotic dinner dates.